This right here is the Ghost of Yotei limited edition PlayStation 5 that comes with the 1TB storage. It also supports 4K 120 HDR. Being the limited edition, you do have a very nice looking custom controller as well as the console. It also comes with the game as well as a disc drive. Looking here at the top of the box, we do have Sony right over here. Scan to find out more. This is the CFI-2015 model. PS5, PlayStation 5, we've got the triangle, circle, X, and square. Looking here on the left-hand side, we do have the Sony PlayStation 5 Ghost of Yotei, more artwork, the model right here, as well as the 1TB storage. Here at the back, we have more of the artwork of the game, which is super cool. Mature 17 plus, and also the seal right over here. Believe it or not, I have this PlayStation 5 since last year. I just didn't open it. So it's pretty exciting to finally open it. And today is August 11th. All right. So Sony PS5 right over here, Ghost of Yotei. Even though this does have the disc drive, it does come with a digital copy of Ghost of Yotei, looks like. And then we have, of course, the cool looking limited edition PS5, as well as the controller. The contents over here, PlayStation 5 console, disc drive attached to console, DualSense wireless controller, 2 horizontal stand feet, HDMI cable, AC power cord, USB cable. Right over here, we also have some printed material, Astro's Playroom, and of course the voucher for the Ghost of Yotei, which means this is a digital copy. Now that being said, let's get this opened. Inside of the box, we do have another box. Slides right out. Just like that. Here on the front of the box, we do have the PlayStation logo. Otherwise, it's just this white looking box. Let's get this opened. The first thing we have is this power cord. Here's our feet. So you can use the PlayStation horizontally. Even though the console showed it on the stand, it looks like it doesn't come with a stand, which is pretty strange for a limited edition item. Here we have our USB-C to USB-C charging cable. You can use this to charge the DualSense controller. HDMI cable right here. Opening this part up, we're gonna get our first peek at one of the coolest controllers. Wow. Look at that. This right over here is like indentations, like etched in, which is really cool. I didn't know that's how it's going to be. You can actually feel all of this. It's like actual scratches on it. Wow. That is actually super, super cool. Look at that. Got our X, circle, triangle, and square. Really liking this kind of like a creamy white Ghost of Yotei right here. We've got also these that you can actually feel. Pretty cool. Oh wow, look at this. We've got our triangle, circle, X, and square. Pushing the PlayStation button. Here's what it looks like when it's illuminated. 3.5mm jack over here. The mute. USB-C port, Sony. Wow, this is a super nice looking controller, you guys. I mean, look at this. I really like the attention to detail. I really did not know that these scratches are actually going to be real. Wow, that is super cool. This is one of the coolest looking controllers I've ever unboxed on the PS5. Wow. I cannot wait to see what the console will look like. Opening this up. I'm going to start off with this, which is our safety guide. Right here. Then over here we have our digital copy of Ghost of Yotei. Once you scratch this, you can end up redeeming the code on your PlayStation Network account. Then we have our quick start guide. And lastly, we have the PlayStation 5 console itself. Gonna put all of this away. I'm hoping the scratches that we saw on the controller are going to be on the console as well. And the answer is yes. We don't necessarily have scratches, but we have like this etched artwork in here, which is pretty cool. They're like etched into it. Nothing on this side, however. And one thing I'm surprised about, because I actually thought this would be the same white PlayStation 5, except it's gonna have nice artwork here. It's a really beige, light beige kind of color, which is pretty cool. We've got our power button right over here, 2 USB-C ports. Here's our disk drive with the eject button. There's the top. We've got Sony right over here. In the back of the unit, we have this plastic. This protects it so that these panels would not separate during shipment. HDMI port, Internet port, 2 USB ports, as well as the power port. And then on here, we still have that red square, triangle, X, and circle. Here's where the feet would go once you're going to use this horizontally. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with a special stand. I think it should have. But yeah, this was the quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Ghost of Yotei Limited Edition.